mania guuku bururiini Muthurimi wa Mathabu guuku bururiini urikaine ta gathongo ni ataririe ati kumana na uhuthiri muuru wa kigina kia muingi na makilia kauntaini itigwaniite gwata waabici cia thirikali nikwagiririe gukorwo na kugia na mundu uria ukiagiriro kana ukiigiririkite gukoragwo akiuria ciuria ta ici no ti gukoragwo na waabici imwe. Akialia hingo ya kurekereria riboti ya mbere ya uhuthiri wa kana ya uthuthuria uyu gathongo ni ataririe ati ikerekaine riake mari na mwihoko wa gukorwo magikuruhania anyiti itemi atiganite gukorwo makiheana mawoni mao na murugamo iguru ria uthuthuria uyu.
I believe we have improved from the last assessment, but we shall wait and see because I like speaking from figures and facts. Ladies and gentlemen, the Constitution of Kenya requires us to ensure that there is openness and accountability, including public participation in financial matters. It also requires us to ensure that our public finance management system promotes an equitable society and that there is clear fiscal reporting. I'll take this opportunity to add that, Jonah, there's still a big group
the Kenya scenario, the picture where we are, what we're doing. Of course, we've been using PEFA
and the other jargons that we use. Because just imagine if we were just priced fairly. The monies we are allocating to CFS, if our borrowing cost just went down by half only, and you know even half would be multiples of what other countries borrow it, we will free more than 400 billion to build roads, we'll free all that money to do housing. We will actually not be having the housing levy.
Tugetigane na icio na riu tukirongoria riboti ingĩ na ni ati munini wa president ni Rigathi Gachagua ni